YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on a vegan spirulina superfood latte. So I'm a huge coffee lover, but every once in a while I want to switch it up and do a matcha or a smoothie or a superfood version of a latte. So stick with me and enjoy. All right guys, so the superstar of the show is the spirulina. I chose monk fruit as the natural sweetener. We have the vanilla extract, the bee pollen to top it off with, and then I have some cinnamon here. This one's just in bulk. So for the milk, I'm going to use the coconut milk. It says coconut milk, but it's actually coconut extract, so it's pretty thick. So I'm just gonna do a 50-50 ratio of coconut milk and water. So use whatever you like, but I'm using coconut milk. So I'm just gonna let this sit here and get warm. I'm not gonna let it boil, but I'm gonna let it get to the temp that I want, and then add the superstars. All right, so I think that it is almost boiling, so it's pretty warm. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and add the other superstar to the show. You guys. That is so delicious. That's really, really good. That's delicious. I hope that you guys make this recipe. Not only does it taste good, but it's gonna have me feeling right through the day because it has all the nutrients that I need. My body is thanking me for making this drink in the morning to set me up for success in the day. All right guys, so I just want to take a moment and acknowledge the fact that I know my aesthetics are not pleasing or that amazing. I will get better, I promise. I just moved to Mexico and I'm just working with whatever they have here in this Airbnb. So I'm sorry for that. I apologize, I acknowledge it. Okay. However, don't let the presentation of the drink or the cooking deter you from this amazing recipe. Seriously, it's really, really good. I know that we eat and drink with our eyes first. It doesn't look absolutely incredibly amazing. The presentation is not a 10, I acknowledge it. But I hope you guys try it because it tastes amazing and it will set you up for the day. So good. Thank you for checking out this episode. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like it down below as well as subscribe to the channel because it helps a ton. And I will see you guys on future episodes. Muchas gracias and adios.